Hello guys, this is Rico and welcome to the channel. Today we will be reviewing the Gateron switches. Basically, these switches can be a replacement to several mechanical keyboards with a similar switch design. In this video, I have my Red Dragon Kala K557 which originally had the Otemo red switches. As you guys all know, the Gateron switches came from the same design with the Cherry MX brown keys, but is a little cheaper than the Gateron MX brown switches. Unfortunately, I have two Otemo brown switches and tested and compared it to the Gateron brown switches. In case you didn't know, the brown switches have this tactile feedback when pressed before registering the key being typed. The Otemo browns are somewhat very tactile when you press them. You can notice the feedback feeling like a hard press. The Gateron browns are somewhat like a smooth press, but with a slight tactile feedback, and that made me switch all my Otemo reds with the Gateron browns. In comparison, Gateron switch pins are slightly longer and wider than the Otemo switches, so a modification has to be made to fit the switches to the keyboard. I will also show you in this video on how to properly fit the Gateron switch with all small modification